So, uh, what was the last topic? Because sir told me that you were doing miscellaneous exercise. Please tell me, am I audible or not? Which topic were you doing? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm asking which topic were you doing now? Because sir told me that miscellaneous exercise, you have to start question number 8. Till 7 you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done. 7 तक हो गई है ना? Okay, so we are going to start question number 8. 8 and 10 we will discuss, and then principal solution. Done principal solution, done 3.4.
No, ma'am.
Okay, तो वो आज
मैम
करेंगे
बट
उसके
प्रिंसिपल
बाद.
सॉल्यूशन तो हमारा सिलेबस का पार्ट नहीं है ना।
बेटा actually journal solution is not the part of. Principal solution is generally used in class 12. Class 12 में maxima minima सब questions में use होता है. So you should know about it. Journal will not be
ओके
asked,
मैम।
but principal is everywhere present in principal solution is everywhere present in class 12. वो आपको पता है, just a basic concept है वो तो. So miscellaneous exercise question number 8. Find sin x by 2, cos x by 2, and then tan x by 2. And the given is tan x is minus 4 by 3 in x lies in second quadrant. Okay, please tell me this type of question have we have already done. ऐसा कोई भी question कोई किया है हमने? Exercise 3.2. Just recall the concept of 3.2. 3.2 में कुछ था, find other 5 trigonometric ratios. So, is it similar to that one? क्या ये उसके जैसा है? Yeah, is there any difference you noticed? Please tell me.
Ma'am, same here.
Same है. What is the difference between this question and the question that you did in 3?
मैम कोऑर्डिनेट विल चेंज।
हाँ देखो, इसमें क्वाड्रेंट चेंज हो रहा है, और सेकंड थिंग की एंगल भी तो चेंज हो रहा है. अभी अर्लियर वी वर स्टडिंग फॉर एक्स, जो हमने 3.2 में किया था. द क्वेश्चन दैट वी डिड इन 3.2 वी वर फाइंडिंग फॉर एक्स ओनली. द गिवन वाज एक्स एंड वी वर फाइंडिंग फॉर एक्स. गिवन भी एक्स था और फाइंड भी एक्स के लिए कर रहे थे, बट दिस टाइम यू कैन सी द गिवन इज एक्स एंड वी आर फाइंडिंग फॉर एक्स बाय 2. हाफ एंगल भी तो आ गया है. सो ये क्वेश्चन उन क्वेश्चन से चेंज है. So let us see how can we do this question. Okay, so whenever you see, I'm just telling you one trick. Whenever you see this type of question where the angle is half, x is there and here x by 2, you need to find cos x first. सबसे पहले क्या ढूंढोगे आप? Cos x. With the help of cos x, you can find these terms easily. I repeat, whenever you see these this type of question, this question में ऐसे half of angle आ जाते हैं, sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. When you see this half angle, so try to find first cos x. सबसे पहले cos x ढूंढोगे. After that you can find other things very easily. बाकी बहुत easily आ जाएगा हमारे पास. Okay, how can we find cos x with the help of tan x? What is secant square x? That is 1 plus tan square x. So tan square is 16 by 9. So this is, it will be 25 by 9. So what is secant x? Plus minus 5 by 3. Now x lies in which quadrant? X lies in which quadrant? Second.
Second.
Second. Since x lies in second quadrant, so which answer should we select? Secant x. कौन सा
Minus
वाला
5 by
answer?
3.
Because in second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive, rest all are negative. So इसका negative वाला we will select. अब देखो secant आ गया है. Because with the help of tan we can find easily secant. Tan की help से जल्दी आंसर आने वाला secant ही है. And secant का reciprocal करके we can find cos x easily. Because I told you whenever you are solving this type of question, try to find cos x first. सबसे पहले cos x को ढूंढो. So now I can write cos x easily by writing the reciprocal
Ma'am.
of this. This is minus, हाँ जी बेटा बोलो, minus 3 by 5.
Ma'am, we can also find cos x by using Pythagoras.
हाँ you can, but उसमें फिर आपको ये quadrant का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. फिर साइन लगाना पड़ेगा क्वाड्रेंट के अकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है, तो मैंने इसलिए पाइथागोरस यूज नहीं करा क्योंकि क्या होता है कि पाइथागोरस लगाने से जनरली स्टूडेंट्स अवॉइड कर देते हैं पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव साइन को, क्योंकि पाइथागोरस में तो सारा लिंक है, सब पॉजिटिव ही आता है. तो इसलिए आई एम यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी. और दिस इज द बेस्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन, क्योंकि अगर आपने पाइथागोरस से किया फिर आपको एक रीजन मेंशन करना पड़ेगा कि एक्स लाइज इन दिस. सो इसीलिए हम नेगेटिव कर रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ पर नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव सामने आ रहा है, सो वी कैन सेलेक्ट वन इजीली. इट्स अप टू यू, बट ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा फिर साइन का. ठीक है. So cos x is there. We have got cos x, that is minus 3 by 5. This is minus 3 by 5. Now with the help of this cos x, I can find the terms very easily. Okay, this cos x, we can write it as 2 cos square x by 2. Hope you all are aware of this thing. सबको पता होगा how can we write cos x as 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. What is the reason? Cos 2 theta is what? Please tell me what is cos 2 theta. We have 4 formulas of cos 2
cos
theta.
x.
2 cos square x minus 1, or you can write 2 cos square theta minus 1. हमारे पास 4 formulas हैं cos 2 theta के. I'm using this one. So cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Means if you are writing angle 2 theta, तो in answer the angle will be half. जो भी theta आप यहाँ पर लिख रहे हो, in answer this theta will be half. So suppose I'm writing here theta only. What it will be now? अब यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? If 2 theta is there,
Theta by 2.
This will be theta by 2. Yes. So similarly, I can write for x. ऐसे ही मैं x के लिए भी लिख लूंगी. This is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Understood? So this is the way to write this. Cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, why we are using this formula? What is the reason? क्यों यही formula use किया? क्योंकि cos x available है, cos x is available, and this we have to find out. ये हमारे पास given है, ये हमको find out करना है, इसीलिए I have used this formula. Now what is cos x? This is minus 3 by 5. Already calculated. So minus 3 by 5. I'm writing here. This is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So you can shift 1 here. That is 2 by 5. Cancel out this 2. Cos square x by 2 is cos square x by 2 is 1 by 5. So cos x by 2 is plus minus 1 by root 5. Now which answer we can select? अब 2 answers आ रहे हैं हमारे पास. We have to select only one. How can we select this answer? X lies. This time please look at the angle. Angle is x by 2. What is the angle of cos? X by 2. अब कैसे select करेंगे which answer? Since x lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. Means 90 to 180. X lies in second quadrant, means 90 to 180. What is the half of x by 2? If x lies in 90 to 180 now, so what will be x by 2?
Between 45 and 90.
This is 45, half of कर दो ना, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. 45 to 90. So it is showing first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So we will select which answer? X by 2 lies in first quadrant. So what will be cos x by 2? Will it be positive or negative? Will it be positive or negative? So very simple thing I'm asking.
Positive.
If yes, it will be positive. 1 by root 5. So we have calculated cos x by 2. In the similar manner, we can check for sin x by 2. Then divide कर देंगे, we will get tan x by 2. चलिए, let us calculate sin x by 2 now.
मैम ये तो
अब
फर्स्ट
sin
क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा ना x by 2 तो फिर पॉजिटिव
हाँ, तो all trigonometric ratios are positive in first quadrant ना, तो cos भी तो positive हो जाएगा.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, सारा all 6 t ratios are positive ना, so cos is also positive. Okay, let us calculate sin also. जैसे ये cos x by 2 किया है, we can say check for sin. Are you noting or shall I erase it if you have noted?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो.
मैम एक डाउट था कि मैम लाइक इस क्वेश्चन में तो हमें x by 2 निकालना था. अगर सपोज हमें 2x निकालना पड़ता तब तो हमारा आई मीन x 2x 180 और 360 के बीच में आता. सो उसमें तो cos x की दो पॉसिबल वैल्यूज होगी ना, प्लस माइनस
फिर
में
उसको
दोनों ही.
आप उसको यू विल स्प्लिट, उसको स्प्लिट करके 2 आंसर्स में मेंशन करोगे.
ओके
180 आप उसका डबल करोगे ना तो क्या बन जाएगा? 180 to 360. So 180 to 270 it will show negative answer और 270 to 360 it will show positive answer. तो दो आंसर्स लिखने पड़ेंगे उसको आप.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, वो तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वाड्रेंट ना कैसा गिवन होगा. Okay, similarly we can check for sin. Now I'm using another formula of cos 2 theta. We have one more formula of cos 2 theta that is in the terms of sin. एक sin की terms में भी होता है. Please tell me.
1
In the
minus 2
terms
sin
of,
square x.
yes, this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So I can study for theta only. How can we study for theta only? अब जैसे cos 2 theta लिखा है तो we can study for cos theta. So this angle will be half. So I will use this formula cos x, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Substitute cos x. Which value we have selected for cos x by 2? Cos x. Cos x was, please check what was cos x because I have erased that part. I think this is minus 3 by 5 if I'm not wrong. Cos x was minus 3 by 5. So if you solve this one, it will show minus 2 sin square x by 2 and minus, this is minus 8 by 5. So you can cancel out this. This is 4. What will be sin x by 2? What will be sin x by 2? That is plus minus 2 by root 5. Now again x by 2 lies
मैम
in,
प्लस बाय 2 by root 5.
हाँ, x by 2 lies in first quadrant. अभी हमने चेक किया था कि x by 2 lies in first quadrant. So which answer we can select for sin x by 2, positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, yes. So this is 2 by root 5. So sin x by 2 we have got, cos x by 2 we have got, so we can check tan x by 2 easily. अब tan x by 2 कैसे आएगा? You can study for tan x by 2. that is sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Divide these two values. So this is, I think, 2 by root 5. Next was 1 by root 5. So what is the answer? 2. Shall I repeat? This part is visible to you now or not? This 2.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
ठीक है, तो अभी हमारा tan x by 2 का क्या वैल्यू आया है? 2. Similarly, you can complete 9 and 10, or shall I do one more part? Will you be able to complete the other two parts, or shall I discuss one more? Please tell me.
Ma'am, can you please record this meeting? I'm having some network issues.
Okay. So 9 and 10, I'm leaving for you. हो जाएंगे 9 and 10. Please reply. So let us talk about principal solution 3.4, that is in 3.4 exercise. So first of all, solution of an equation. What is the meaning of solution of an equation? अभी हम इसका प्रिंसिपल और जर्नल की बात तो बाद में करेंगे. Let us talk about solution of an equation. क्या होता है solution? Nobody can explain it. What is the meaning solution of an equation? किसी का solution के लिए आंसर आ गया, solution हमने find out कर लिया. So what does it represent? क्या बताता है ये? Like we talked in class 9, zeros of the polynomial. जैसे हमने 9 क्लास में देखा था, polynomial के जीरो होते हैं. वो क्या करते हैं उस polynomial को? They make the polynomial zero ना? So solution भी क्या करते हैं? हाँ, yes. Solution, what is the role of solution? Suppose we are finding a solution after solving an equation. तो ये क्या बताता है solution? It is satisfying the equation. बस x का वो वैल्यू मीन्स वेरिएबल का वो वैल्यू जो उसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. So we will call this as a solution. The very simple thing I'm asking. But we have two types of solution in this exercise: principal solution and general solution. General solution is not in the syllabus. We will discuss only principal solution. And principal solutions are based on quadrants. No specific concept or formula we can apply in principal solution. Just only use the quadrants, we can find the answers. But general formula में जर्नल सॉल्यूशन कैन बी फाउंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज, उसमें हमारा फॉर्मूला यूज होता है, बट प्रिंसिपल में इट्स अ जनरल बेसिक नॉलेज और कॉन्सेप्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज वी कैन फाइंड प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन. ओके, फर्स्ट आई एम राइटिंग फॉर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एन इक्वेशन. So let y equal to 5x be an equation, कोई equation है, just it's not a particular definition, थोड़ा सा explanation बता रही हूँ. Let y equal to 5x be an equation, कोई एक equation है y equal to 5x, मतलब y equal to x की फॉर्म में कोई equation है हमारे पास. So the value of x, or you can write fx equal to, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. So then x equal to, if x equal to a satisfies the equation, so this implies x equal to a is a solution. यही तो मैं पूछ रही थी, इतना सिंपल सा solution of equation. It's not a particular definition, just writing the explanation. कि suppose कोई equation है और उसको कोई value satisfy करता है, so I will say this is a solution. Now two types of solutions are there. Types of solution of trigonometric equation, because we are talking about trigonometric ना है. I'll write, अभी यहाँ पर space नहीं है. So understood what is the meaning of solution of an equation? ये हो गया हमारा. Shall I proceed? No need to write it, it's just a basic thing. So types of solution, this is a short form I'm using for solution. Types of solutions of trigonometric function. Equation, sorry. So in two ways we can write the solution. दो तरीकों से हम solutions बता सकते हैं trigonometric equations के. So number one is principal and number two is journal. Journal, it is based on principle. पहले principle आता है, उसके बाद ही journal बनता है. It is based on principle solution and it is not in the syllabus deleted. So we have to study only this one. So what is the principal solution? If we talk about principal solution, means the value of x which is satisfying trigonometric equation by using quadrants. This is called the principal solution. Okay, I'm writing the definition for this. इसका भी कोई particular definition नहीं है, just explanation I will write. Shall I proceed? Should I repeat or shall? Shall I proceed? Two types of solutions are there in trigonometric equations. दो type के solution हम study करते हैं. First is principal solution, second is journal. It is deleted and it is based on principle, because पहले हम first ये find out करते हैं, then with the help of this we can find journal easily. So, but we have to study only principal solution. So let us start with principal solution first. Principal solution just based on quadrants. Means no particular concept or formula we are using here, just based on quadrant. Quadrant की help से हम इसको study कर लेते हैं. And the solution of trigonometric equations for which this x is, so these are called प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन, मतलब हमको 0 to 2 पाई के बीच में ही सॉल्यूशन चेक करना, बिकॉज आफ्टर 2 पाई वैल्यूज रिपीट होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती हैं. I repeat, what is the meaning of principal solution? It is just based on quadrants. Means with the help of quadrants, we can find the solution easily. कोई extra concept नहीं लगाना होता, कोई formula नहीं लगाना होता. If you know the concept of quadrant, so we can find principal solution easily. Now, what is the formal definition? थोड़ा सा अगर हम इसकी formal definition की बात करें, the solution of trigonometric equation. The solution, it is a solution of trigonometric equation for which, और वो solution कहाँ तक हम study कर सकते हैं? We can start from 0 and this 2 pi. We can't go beyond 2 pi and 2 pi से आगे जाएंगे तो फिर repeat होना start हो जाता है. Because जैसे आप देखो ना, ये 2 pi cross करेगा. First quadrant, फिर से second, third, values will repeat. So you have to study trigonometric principal solution for 0 and before 2 pi means 0 to 360 we can start, because अगर मैंने 2 pi को start किया और उससे ऊपर तो फिर वो repeat होना start हो जाएगा. So 0 to 2 pi we can take all the values. All the values that we study in this 0 to 2 pi means first, second, third, so they are called principal solution. और उसपे मैंने लिखा भी है, देखो, based on quadrants. Quadrant की help से आने वाले solution, these are called principal. So should we start questions now? इससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. Shall I repeat? Please reply. Should we start questions? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in 3.4, we can have some questions of principal solutions. First 4. Actually, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, they are based on principal and journal, because in this question, a principal or journal, we have to study both. दोनों study करने हैं, but I will do only for principal. क्योंकि हम principal पढ़ रहे हैं, journal is not in the syllabus. So let us start with first. That is tan x is root 3. Find the principal solution. The question is find the principal and general solution, but we are doing for principal solution only. Okay, tan x is root 3. First of all, please check its sign. This is positive. So tan is positive where? Tan कहाँ पर positive होता है? This tan is positive. कहाँ पर tan positive होता है? First and third. First and third quadrant. So I can write answer by writing the value in first quadrant and then third quadrant. Okay, at which value this tan is showing root 3? Please tell me. Tan 30, tan 60, which value? At which value tan is showing root 3? It's a very simple thing I'm asking, but you should know it.
Tan 60.
Tan 60, yes. So this is pi by 3. So what is x if you compare tan from both the sides? So this is pi by 3. Similarly, what about the third quadrant? If you want to know the value in third quadrant, अभी अगर third quadrant में value check करना है, how can we make third quadrant? This is some pi. It is some pi plus. जो third quadrant है वो pi से थोड़ा सा extend है आगे है. Pi plus something, and that something will be that angle where this tan is coming root 3. अब पाई प्लस मैंने बनाया, पाई प्लस बनाने का मीनिंग है कि 180 प्लस, वी आर मूविंग टू द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. Pi plus means 180 plus, third quadrant. But at which value it is showing root 3? Pi by 3 पर root 3 दिखाता है ये. So this is tan x, tan 4 pi by 3. So on comparing tan from both the sides, so this is 4 pi by 3. So what are the principal solutions? X equals to pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3 are the प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशंस. इसके आगे और स्टडी करना चाहिए हमको? प्लीज टेल मी, शुड वी स्टडी मोर? शुड वी स्टडी मोर सॉल्यूशंस?
Yes, ma'am.
और आगे करना चाहिए सॉल्यूशन चेक? Others, please reply. Should we check more solution? But it's a very simple thing I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
नहीं, कंटिन्यू नहीं. आई एम आस्किंग कि और आगे सॉल्यूशन चेक करना चाहिए?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू कि दिस प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन कहाँ से स्टार्ट और कहाँ पर खत्म करना है हमको. 0 to x till 2 pi ना. 2 pi means 360. The solution, just look at the definition of principal solution. The solution of trigonometric equation
Okay,
for
ma'am.
which,
Okay, ma'am.
for which theta is, theta कहाँ तक जाना चाहिए? 0 until this 2 pi. Because अगर मैं 2 pi की इक्वल कर देती हूँ तो फिर वो 0 डिग्री को ही माना जाएगा. बिकॉज 0 and 2 pi they coincide. 0 and 2 pi और उसके आगे फिर से रिपीट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. So you will check values only till this 0 and this 2 pi. ठीक है? So these are the principal solutions. Similarly, we can check for, okay, I'm doing one more part for negative. So I'm writing for cot. Okay, so I think we should write for cosecant. Okay, अभी tan वाला तो हमने किया ही है. 4, question number 4 I'm writing. Again, find the principal solution. Cosecant x is -2. Yes. So first of all, just focus on its positive and negative sign. जब कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन का, तो फोकस करते हैं नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव साइन पे. First of all, cosecant is negative. So cosecant is negative where? Please check the suitable quadrant. कहाँ पर नेगेटिव होता है cosecant? Please tell me.
Second.
Second and no. Cosecant is negative, na? I'm asking for cosecant negative.
Oh, third.
Third and fourth. Third and fourth. So I will study for 180 plus 2 pi minus. So third quadrant we can write with the help of 180 plus. 180 plus means pi plus. You can also write it as pi plus. Okay, at which value cosecant is 2? At which value cosecant is 2?
60.
Sine 60. What is sine 30?
1/2.
और cosecant 30?
2.
2. तो किस पर होना चाहिए? 60 पर या 30 पर? Plus 30 ना? So 30 means pi by 6. 180 by 6. Pi plus means third quadrant. This pi plus showing 180 plus showing third quadrant and pi by 6. This is 30. So cosecant 7 pi by 6. If you take its LCM, so what is x on comparing 7 pi by 6? एक वैल्यू ही आ गया हमारे पास. Other value, how can we study the other solution? How can we make fourth quadrant? Because in fourth quadrant it is showing negative also. Fourth पे भी negative बनता है. So fourth quadrant can be written as 2 pi minus at which value it is showing negative? Sorry, 2 pi by 6. I repeat, fourth quadrant can be shown by using 2 pi minus. 360 पर बनता है, 360 minus से बनता है. So 2 pi minus something, and that something will be that value where it is showing 2, जहाँ पर इसको 2 आंसर आता है. So 30. So it is, I think, what is x if you compare cosecant to secant from both the sides? 11 pi by 6. 6 2s are 12 minus 1. So what are the principal solutions? What are the principal solutions? 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. So these two are the principal solution. So similarly, you can do the rest of the parts. Okay, so next time we will start new chapter, that is linear inequality. So I think, what is the time now? 5 to 7 minutes are still left. So we can take one example that is very important. एक example कर लेते हैं, अब नया chapter next time we will start. Shall I repeat? Please tell me. Do you know how to find the principal solution? Will you be able to understand ना? आ गया है समझ सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Principal solutions are those values, are those solutions which lie between 0 to 2 pi. ठीक है, and they are totally based on quadrant. Quadrant की help से आते हैं. So 4 questions were there. We have done 2. 2 I'm leaving for you. So since 5 to 7 minutes are still left, so I'm going to start 1 or 2 examples. Okay, example number 25 to 29. All are very, very important. 25 to 29, all are very, very important. So I'm writing now question example number 29 now. 29 करवा रही हूँ, important है. Because 5-7 minutes है अभी new chapter, तो फिर we will start in next class ना. Prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3. So important, generally asked in exams में आ जाता है ये. So this is 3 by 2. So cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 should be equal to 3 by 2. So we should start from left hand side because you can see the right hand is in very simplest form. तो already बहुत simple form में है. So let us start with left hand side. So cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3. Any suggestion from your side? Because we don't have any formula for cos square a plus cos square b. कोई formula नहीं है हमारे पास cos square a plus cos square b वाला. So what we can do in this case? Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. First of all, we are multiplying this entire expression by 2 and divide by 2 also. 2 से multiply भी करवा रहे हैं और divide भी करवा रहे हैं. Why we are multiplying with 2? Because we have a formula for 2 cos square x. What is 2 cos square x? Please tell me what is 2 cos square x? Cos 2 theta formula. 2 cos square x is,
cos 2x plus 1.
yes, cos 2x plus 1, or you can write 1 plus cos 2x. So similarly, 2 cos square x, I can write here 2 cos square x, I can write here 1 plus cos 2x. Similarly, this is again 2 cos square x, but it's the x thoda sa change hai. 2 cos square x. So I can write 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sorry, 2 to 2 is already there. So 1 plus cos 2x. Next is again, we have multiplied with 2
Ma'am?
here. Multiply 2 कर दिया मैंने, skip हो गया था. So 2 cos square x, again we can write this is 1 plus cos 2x. Hope you all have understood. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is showing 3 and 3 by 2 is there. It means ये सारा मुझको 0 बना देना है. So I am rearranging the terms once again.
मैम
हाँ जी, yes.
मैम इसको हम ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते थे ना कि cos स्क्वायर x प्लस पाई बाय 3 को cos x प्लस पाई बाय 3 को होल स्क्वायर
cos a
करके फिर
plus
उसका
b, cos a
आइडेंटिटी.
plus b का cos a plus b का फॉर्मूला लगा के ओपन कर सकते हो, उससे भी हो जाएगा.
बट मैम उससे आंसर नहीं आ रहा, उसमें 3/2 cos x आ रहा है.
बताइए तो फिर स्टेप पूरा ओपन करके पता चलेगा क्या है. आप उसको cos a plus b से ओपन करोगे, cos a plus b, cos a cos b माइनस sin b, फिर उसको होल स्क्वायर भी तो लगेगा.
यस मैम लगा के करा था, बट उसमें जो पहले cos स्क्वायर x है इसको कॉमन लेके करेंगे तब उसमें उसके बाद में फिर 3/2 cos x ही आ रहा है.
नहीं कैंसिल होना चाहिए, हो जाता है क्वेश्चन. इस मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं इसको. तो अभी तो मैं इससे कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन, आप जब उसको a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर में ओपन करोगे, स्क्वायर को देखो सही से ओपन किया है क्योंकि इसमें टर्म्स बहुत सारी हैं. सिमिलरली नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट में भी वो ओपन होगा, cos a cos b प्लस sin a sin b, देन इट्स होल स्क्वायर. कुछ टर्म्स कैंसिल भी हो जाएंगे, कुछ
Okay, ma'am.
एडजस्ट भी हो जाएंगे, कुछ एडजस्ट भी हो जाएंगी. देखो पर वो बहुत लेंथी है, दैट इज व्हाई आई सिलेक्टेड दिस वन. उसमें कैलकुलेशन एरर होने के बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई सिलेक्टेड दिस वन. इसमें बस एक फॉर्मूला हमको पता होना चाहिए. रेस्ट थिंग्स आर वेरी सिंपल. ओके 1 1 1, दिस इज 3 प्लस cos 2x cos 2x plus pi by 3 plus cos 2x minus pi by 3. This is cos, na? So actually we have to form 3 by 2. That means these terms should be 0. ये सब 0 हो जाना चाहिए. 3 by 2 should be the answer, so they all will show the 0 answer. सबको 0 बनाना है. अब कैसे 0 बनाएंगे? You can see. We can apply here formula cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b is 2 cos a plus b by 2. Cos a plus b by 2, that is 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus 2x minus 2 pi by 3 by 2, and cos a minus b by 2. So this is 3 plus, you can see what terms cancel होंगे यहाँ पर. 4x by 2, this is again 2 cos 4x by 2, this is 2x. And what about this one? 4 pi by 3 by 2, that is 2 pi by 3. Okay, what is cos 2 pi by 3? Cos 2 pi by 3, please check cos 2 pi by 3. This is minus 1 by 2. Cos 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel out. Positive, negative, this is negative. We can cancel cos with the cos. So this is 1 by 2, 3 plus cos 2x. And this is again minus cos 2x, cancel out. So 3 by 2, this is the required right hand side. Shall I repeat the steps? Should I repeat the steps? Please reply because the time is over now.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so next time, sir will start new chapter. Linear inequalities, your chapter number 3 is over. You all can leave the meeting now.
Ma'am, have you taken the attendance?
But I don't have any list. I'll take the screenshot. Please do not leave the meeting. Let me take the screenshot. Okay. Now you can leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.